Good evening, guys. Tonight I was planning to make suman. Suman, the ingredients is sticky rice, means like sweet rice. So this is the ingredients. I need to show you guys what is the ingredients for the suman that I make tonight. Um, it's budbud for Visayan, suman in Tagalog. So this is guys, I need to show you how I make my suman. This is the ingredients. First, I need to show you is the glutinous rice flour. So you can use this one, and mostly people they use like the rice, like the whole rice, the sweet rice. But I used this already 3 times, guys. I tried this one, but it's really good. It's good too, like same as the suman, like the whole sweet rice. So the kids is really love it. They like this style of suman. So that's why I use this one. There's glutinous rice flour. So this is the 1 pound. 1 pound of this. This is the I need to do right now, guys. So that one. And the next is the coconut cream. The coconut cream, I use this one. I try this. Coconut cream is the best. This is the best than other. They have coconut milk, but this coconut cream and the coconut milk, I mix it, guys. So I need to use this one. All of this I use this for the 1 pound of the sweet rice that is in there. So this is one I use for that. So but if the mixture is very sticky, you can I add like 1/4 to 1/2 for water, just plain water. So if that's very sticky, you need to just calculate for that. And mostly, guys, some is they are very like putting all the coconut cream. They don't have they don't add like water or something. You can do that too. So as long as you just tadya-tadyahin nyo na lang, like just calculate it. And the next is I put vanilla for my suman budbud. So I put like 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So this is, guys, this is optional. If you do not like vanilla to your budbud or like suman, so don't put it if you like it. But I really like the taste and the smell, so I use this one. And this one is ginger, guys. Ginger, in Visayan is loya. This is I put ginger in my suman budbud. 4 inches to 5 inches. That's what I use on this. What I do this one, guys, is wash this very good, and after that you need to remove the skin of this, and after that you need to grate. You need to grate in this. After that you need to squeeze the juice of the ginger that you are grated. So this is what I put in my suman, guys, is add taste. So this is good. But if you really don't like this, like because some people they do not like, you never know, they're allergic or whatever, you don't want to put, guys, if you do not like ginger. So that is okay, that is optional. That's optional. This, guys, salt. My suman, I put like 1 teaspoon of salt, guys. So they have salt my suman. And sugar, I put 6 tablespoons of my suman. So it depends, you guys, because I don't like too sweet for my suman or budbud. So I just put like 6 tablespoons for my suman. And it's too sweet, a little bit, but that's I like. I don't like too sweet, and the kids too love that way, so that is okay. So I love that way. So 6 6 tablespoons of sugar. And the last is coconut oil. This is organic cold pressed virgin cold pressed coconut oil, guys. I really like this one. Sometimes the coconut cream and coconut milk, they did not get too much of the oil, so what I'm doing is I'm adding this one because this is the pure oil, like cold press coconut oil, and it's organic, guys. So I really like to, I put this one, sometimes is one quart I bought it. It's really good. It the mixture is really good, so that's what I'm using, guys. But this is optional. If you really like very like shiny and tasty, you can add this one if you really like. Even it's not organic, if you don't have organic coconut oil there, that is fine. You can add for adding for shiny and the taste. This is, and I using this, guys, for the banana leaves too. What I'm doing, I will show you later. I'm doing this for my banana leaves. This is the banana leaves, guys, that we need to use the suman or bodbod. I was boiling this, guys, like in hot water. That is the style I'm doing. Boiling water, and I put this one by one, or because you need to cut this one. Then after that, you need to put the boiling water and to be softer. And after that is I wipe that one that dry. All is dry. And when you start like putting the mixture in the banana leaves, before I put that is I put this coconut oil, the organic one, cold press. So I put a little bit, guys. You need to rub in there in the banana leaves, the coconut, this one, so that it not sticky in the banana and easy to roll out. Hi guys, this is the coconut cream and the coconut milk. That's what I was telling you earlier, and I was already pouring this earlier because you need to boiling this, and after when they boil, you need to add sweet rice, and I add everything is there already. So I just tell you more. The one teaspoon of salt is here already, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 6 tablespoons of white sugar because I do not like too sweet for my suman or bodbod. So it's up to you guys. If you like sweeter, you can have like 7 tablespoons, 8 or something. That's up to you. So mine just 6 tablespoons. So we have vanilla and 1 teaspoon of salt, and that's it, guys. That's what I'm doing. And then you just stirring, just only for 5 minutes stirring because we do not want to fully cook on this. And after that, for 5 minutes stirring. This is the texture, guys, that I really like. So for my suman, so it's done, guys. I will off the fire, then I will just cool a little bit, and that's it, ready for rolling later. This is the banana leaves. I was cut this into pieces for just like size for the suman. So I boil water, and after that I put this in the boiling water for 2 minutes to 3 minutes. It's up to, sometimes they have like very like hard like the banana leaves, so you need to be like 2 to 3 minutes in the boiling water. So getting softer, and then you need to remove. So you need to remove this because it's getting soft already. And that is the for the suman, guys, for rolling soon. Hi guys, this is the coconut oil. It's a cold press organic. This is the one I told you earlier that I use this for about the banana leaves to rub or something there. So I will get like 1 tablespoon. And then I will reheat this for 15 seconds until liquid. Hi guys, this is the suman that ready for wrapping. What I'm doing is this is the coconut oil, like the organic that I was reheat already. So what I'm doing, oh, be sure our hands, guys, is clean. So my hands is already, I wash it very good, and there you go. This is we need to start how to do it for the suman right now for wrapping. So this is what I'm doing. I need to rub a little bit of oil here for the coconut oil. That is the organic I was showing you guys. So this is what I'm doing. And you just get the suman mixture. So just calculate, guys, how big you want. So I don't want to be very big, like just like I think 2 tablespoons. 2 tablespoons or 3 tablespoons. So this is what I'm doing. It's very sticky, guys. This is very sticky because this is pure sweet rice. No adding like no. Pure. So this is what you need to do. You're just doing like this, guys. What I'm doing is rolling. So, need and then if that's perfect. So what you want to do is just roll it like this. Guys, when you need to roll, and just do it like this. What I'm doing. Roll it. Roll, roll, roll. Sounds like you're rolling, like it just sounds like trio playing or something. But you enjoy what you're doing. So that's what I'm doing. Rolling. So that is one. I'm doing. Okay. So I need. So right now we are start steaming the suman right now. So we'll wait 30 minutes to 40 minutes for this, and that's done. Hi guys, this is the cooked suman. So this is ready to eat. They're really good if you have hot cocoa for this, hot chocolate. So that's it. Good for breakfast. If you have mango, yellow mango, it's very good for that. With this suman bud. Okay guys, see you in my next video. Bye.